A and B can finish a piece of work in 30 days, B and C in 40 days, C and A in 60 days. How long will all three take to finish it together? Now, let's first assume the total work as the LCM of the three times given, that is 30, 40, and 60. So we can see that the LCM of 30, 40, and 60 will be 120. So we'll assume the total work to be 120. Now it is given that A and B can finish the piece of work in 30 days. So time is 30. So that means the rate we can say is W upon T. That is 120 upon 30. That is 4. For B plus C, the time is 40. So the rate will be 120 upon 40. That is 3. And for C plus A, it is 120 upon 60. That is 2. Now we want to find out the time they will take if they all work together. Now, if we add all these equations, a plus b is equal to 4, b plus c is equal to 3, and c plus a is equal to 2. If we add both all these three equations, on the left hand side, we will have 2 multiplied by a plus b plus c is equal to 4 plus 3, that is 7 plus 2, 9. So that means we can say that a plus b plus c is equal to 9 by 2. So we can write down the rate over here. The rate becomes 9 by 2. Now work is 120 itself. Now time is always work upon rate. So this comes out to be time as 120 upon 9 by 2, which comes out to be 240 divided by 9. This comes out to be 26, 6 by 9, which we can reduce it to 26, 2 by 3. So the time for A plus B plus C will be 26, 2 by 3. That is option A.